A special blend of green chilies, pepper, and curry leaves make a great green chili powder to use in various dishes. Start with a hot pan and add very little oil. I'm going to be adding 2 cups of green chilies. I've taken off the stems and I'm just going to allow these to blister in the heat. Next, I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of curry leaves and a 1/4 cup of black peppercorns. Keep stirring this around to keep blistering the chilies. Now I'm going to turn it off the heat and cool it. Once it's cool, I'm going to add this to my food processor and grind it till it looks like the consistency of cut grass. Why do I call this chili powder? In the summer, I will allow it to dry in the sun on a plate, but in the winter, I just bottle it and store it in the fridge. It will dry out slightly, but it will be damp. I love to add this to curries, dhoklas, and anything that could use a little kick. It's perfect. Enjoy.